Hi guys, it's Sarah here, the ballet coach. So I am going to give you a little tutorial today all about balancés and how we do them in ballet. Firstly, they are a beautiful step to dance. It is a waltz step, so we're counting the music on a 3/4 time signature. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So keep that in your head as we go through. So we're going to start with our feet in parallel position, so toes and heels together. And we're going to take a big step to the right with the right foot and bend down onto that right foot. Now with your left foot, we're going to go up onto a demi-point, so tiptoes, and then back down onto a plie. Then we go the other way to the left. Down, up, down. And again, plie, demi-point, plie. And again, plie, demi-point, plie. Let's speed it up a little. Down, up, down. 1, 2, 3. Balancé. Okay, so after we've got the general rhythm, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, of course, as we're in ballet, we're going to turn our legs out. So starting from your first position, and let's just get rid of the hands, put them on the waist for the time being. We take a step to the side, so to the right. Plie with a turnout. Now your left leg is going to cross behind, a little bit like you're going to do a curtsy. Demi-point, plie to the left. Down, up, down. And again, down, up, down, down, cross behind in front. A little faster. Plie, demi-point, plie. Plie, demi-point, plie. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There is your balancé. So remember, every time that second step, it must cross behind. So now we've got the feet, we have to think about the arms and make them nice and fluid to really complement the movement. So we're going to think about making almost a figure of 8 with our arms over our body as we go. So as we go to the right first, across, 2, 3. We go to the left, 1, 2, 3. Nice and gentle with those arms, using the head and the body to give yourself that lovely waltzy feeling. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One more, 1, 2, 3. That is your balancés. There are many different variations of balancés. You can go forwards and backwards and turn them, but they all come from the exact same movement, 1, 2, 3 on your waltz step. Guys, I hope that has helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good practice. Let me know how you get on, and I'll see you really soon. Bye. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe to see more videos like this. To join the Dance at Home program, visit www.theballetcoach.com and make sure you're following me on Instagram for all things ballet and dance.